Can you solve this? Noah is currently 12 years old. In how many years will his age be 3 times as old as he was 5 years old? Solution. Noah is currently 12 years old. Let x be the number of years from now when his age will be 3 times what it was 5 years old. Step 1. What is age 5 years ago? So 12 minus 5 equals 7. Step 2. In x years, his age will be 12 plus x. Step 3. Set up the equation. So 12 plus x equals 3 times 7. So 12 plus x equals 21 because 3 times 7 equals 21. Step 4. Solve for x. So x equals 21 minus 12 equals 9. So Noah will be 3 times as old as he was 5 years ago in 9 years.